Here is a 1978 Johnson, 2 horsepower. It is in extremely nice shape. It is a few little scratches and stuff, but it is a beautiful little motor. I'll try and start it myself here while recording. Let's see how this goes. Alright, here we go. As you can see, I'll dry off my hand. See the water build up. That's how these exhaust. So it has a new impeller, has new gear oil, a new plug, the fuel line's been changed. It's just an excellent running little motor. Perfect for a little dinghy or for trolling. I'm going to give it some gas. Rolls down nice. There you go. You got the adjustments on the front here. If you need more gas, you give it a little more gas. See how that works? Oh, wrong way. Anyhow, there it is. It runs beautiful.